You're not finding yourself in your 20s. You're slowly killing your future. Every party, every just one more Netflix episode, every year you coast without building something real, is a year you'll never get back. Nobody's coming to save you. Your 20s aren't a dress rehearsal. They're the foundation of your entire life. If you waste them, you'll spend your 30s cleaning up the mess, while watching other people live the life you wanted. Time isn't the asset you think it is. You're burning your most valuable years pretending you have endless time to figure it out. Spoiler, you don't. Every day you delay building skills, networks, and discipline is a day your competition gets ahead. Comfort is your enemy. The reason you feel fine is because nothing in your life is pushing you hard enough. You think avoiding discomfort is keeping you safe, but it's actually keeping you weak, replaceable, unforgettable. Your 20s aren't for figuring it out slowly. They're for sprinting, testing, failing fast, stacking skills like your life depends on it, because it does. That side hustle you might start someday? Start it now. That skill you've been meaning to learn? Learn it now. Stop waiting to feel ready. You won't. If you waste this decade sleepwalking, you'll wake up in your 30s with nothing but regret, debt, and stories about what could have been. Your 20s are the most expensive years you'll ever waste. Don't be the zombie who learns that when it's already too late.